Listen, it's 2024, okay? Don't you just hate when YouTubers start off the video like that? It's 2024. I want to come up with a New Year's resolution, but I don't really do resolutions like that, you know? It is 2024. I really don't know what, like, the day is gonna look like today, but it's 2024. I don't know how many heads I got to cut today, but all I know is it's 2024. What does it all really even mean though? Like, just because it's another year, it really doesn't mean anything. Like, it's 2024. So I'm just gonna go to work right now, cut some hair, probably film most of my cuts, and just talk about my plans for the rest of the year. Because it's 2024! So yeah, let's go. I'm ready for you. Alright, so if you've been watching my videos, I basically got these in. These are Stylecraft's modified. They're modified T-wide liners. Well, it's not liners, it's a blaze. Well, I'm gonna try to put it on these Instincts. This blade on here. Let's go. Hey, YouTube, I ain't gonna lie. These blades hit. Ooh, hold on, y'all need to see it up. Y'all need to see it up close and personal. Y'all need to hold on. Hold on real quick. Hold on. Let me bag out. Let me bag out.
T14, launch.
Watch this, watch this, watch this.
Gun radio tower, G14 stalled.
Target's out of sight. Go get me the child.
Copy that.
He's following this. It's kind of liners that fall off the bone. Hair just falling off. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Somebody take a look at this. Somebody take a look at this. Alright, you guys, so this blade right here, I don't know why it just doesn't focus. Well, alright, this blade right here, hit, but I wouldn't suggest doing it on somebody's neck, but on the front line though, Stylecraft, y'all got something with these. Y'all got something with these. These is definitely hitters. But on the back of the neck, you can forget it.